Good evening, my peoples. Good evening, my peoples. Muck to the, muck to the, muck to the bit is I'm. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl LYNNHOLLA1 coming to you live. So tell me, I almost choked y'all. How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? This is my muck to the, my muck to the, my muck to the bit is I'm. What's going on? And why is this camera going in and out of focus? What's going on, everyone? So, let me let y'all know what your girl got tonight. She fried her some chicken thighs. You see that chicken? I like my chicken crispy. And some kale greens with the turkey neck bone. And some Hormel. I think it's Hormel. Macaroni and cheese. And I'm drinking the Snapple Kiwi Strawberry what you call them. I also have my water because I diluted it, hot sauce, and I don't know if I'm going to eat my old-fashioned donut or will it be, what do they call it, the pineapples that you get from the Oriental store. So, let me say my grace. Father in heaven, thank you for the food which I'm about to receive, nourishment to my body for Christ's sake. Amen, amen, amen. And this is my thumbnail. After these messages, I'll be right back. Hey! So I am back. I said my grace, so let me start eating. So I don't know. I don't know. So what's going on, y'all? I got some hot sauce. What is going on? What's going down? What's going down? Normally, I eat my my stems, but some stems is kind of tough. from that batch. I don't even know why. So what's going on, people? Let's see. And these was okay. Yeah. I mean, I can eat them if I wanted to, but to me they kind of tough. Normally I be tearing my stems up, cause you know that's where all the iron and everything is. Hey, Aunt Maddie. Aunt Maddie TV. Thanks for coming to check me out. And I came back to your channel too. I know I've been missing in action. Well, a whole lot going on. I mean, a whole lot. But I'm back. Whew. Before I go any further, I'm asking everyone to like, comment, share this video, and sub to my channel if you haven't already. Hey. I didn't know you. Oh, man. Wait until me. You ain't see the food cooking? You ain't see the chicken on the thing? Oh, and I want to thank everyone. I just happened to go on my computer, the PC, and went checked out my channel. What is it, analytics or something like that? And I noticed people do be sharing my videos. It's a few, but still, thank you. I appreciate that. That really made me feel good. You hear how that sounds? Nice and crispy. Oh, here we go. So, did y'all hear? Do y'all hear that crunk? The bomb. Good. So what did y'all do today? How was your day? I think I'm gonna go and have I don't know why it's going in out of focus like that. I'm gonna have the sausages, rice, is it sausages, rice, and I don't know. Look, I was biting into a bone. Sausages, rice. Is it eggs? But I was going to say pickles. I'm acting like I can't eat today. I don't know what's going on, but rice, sausages, and cucumbers. That's what it is. I'm gonna do that. Rice, sausages, and cucumbers. I think that'll be good. I could have heard. I really overcooked them on neck bone. Them turkey necks. Good. Well, what's going on, Pete? Talk to me. Okay. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but I love my skin to be crunchy. It's really good. It's really hot because that ice is melting quick. I'm trying to think. Sausages, cucumbers, and rice. Well, I think what I'm gonna try is, don't try to laugh at me either. B loves I had made some B love sauce. It was a minute ago, and boy was it hot. I put that stuff in the freezer. I put it in the freezer. That stuff was hot. So I probably try to tackle it. I dilute it with more butter. Because I love her I love her butter sauce and can't wait for it to get on the market. So be love, if you just so happen to come across this video, please let me know. We will your sauce be on the market? No, oh, that's what I did. Shout out to my girls, Michi, Zay and Jaja, Mommy, Zay and Jair, Mom, Does Shorty Dad, um, Ed Silver. I think Ed Silver. I don't know. Listen, I know how to mess up some names. But I still don't know how to pronounce my great niece's name. Listen, I be like, hey, mommy. Hey, mama. I just said, this chicken is tender. Have you ever had tough chicken? I know I have. I don't know if the chicken be old or what. But I even had it from Popeye. I'm trying to think if I had it from KFC. Also, I might have. That's a grateful, but it was still good. My boy, the real feces. My partner in crime, D. Oh, shoot. Wait a minute. I do that. I'm looking at my, what you call them for my birthday. It's like I keep sniffing because I have a some kind of summer cold or something. Or what do they call the sinus? For a few weeks, like all up in here, been clogged, and I can breathe, I can't breathe. Pains in my head. So I guess it's trying to break. I just wish it would be gone. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why I just keep sniffing. And then, I don't know, but like when you go to blow your nose or whatever, there's nothing there, it's just all clear. In the morning, I might be clogged when it's not all cleared or whatever. But I don't know why I keep trying to put that on there. I don't even know if I want. I don't think I had home cooked meal. And like 3 weeks now. I did get the chance to go to Walmart today. God, thanks to my brother, got some things that I needed. I wanted to do my greens and turkey tails, but Walmart didn't have turkey tails, so I had to get the turkey nuts. And who all agree with me that turkey nuts does not have that much flavor in them? I really enjoyed this home cooked meal. I ate it all. And you know what? I better hurry up, because I forgot my battery was low. So, again, I'm asking everyone. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. What the heck? That was just crazy. The paper towels fell on the camera. And then this fell. I'm glad it didn't open. The cap was secured. The top was secured. Because that fell on my fried chicken. Imagine if the lid wasn't secured. So I'm asking everyone to like, comment, share this video, subscribe to this channel, continue on sharing. Sister trying to, I'm like at 181 or 180. I would love to reach, I want to say 250, but I would also would love to reach 200. My 200 goal mark, and then I push for my 250 because sister's trying to build her channel up. You feel me? And if you have any ideas of what can I do to build the channel up, let me know. I tried to do a giveaway a few weeks ago for my daughter's birthday, but no one answered the question. So I don't know. Until next time, that's all, folks. Peace. Be blessed. I'm gone. Mwah. Love you guys. Have a safe, blessed Monday night, Tuesday. Until next time, stay drama stress-free. Love you guys.